Does an FHA loan accept private flood insurance? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. So if you're looking at taking out an FHA loan and you're trying to figure out what kind of impact flood insurance is going to have on your loan, this video is for you. So let's get started. Hello, my name is Chris Green, president and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru. And more than 12 years ago, I bought a house kind of like this. And I was told my flood insurance premiums were going to be $3,000 a year when they should have been $300. I've been helping property owners just like yourself overcome the same obstacles for the last 12 years. Today we're talking about FHA loans. We're talking about, do they accept private flood insurance? For many years, people wanted to take private flood insurance and FHA loan, but banks said, sorry, FHA doesn't accept it. Well, the good news is for you, back in December of 2022, FHA started accepting private flood insurance. It still hasn't fully gotten out. We had an underwriter for a mortgage company just reach out to us last week that did not want to accept an FHA loan and private flood insurance. So what do you do in this situation? Well, what we did is we took an article that we wrote that's inside this video for you, and we sent that to them, and we linked that article to the bulletin from the federal government on the ruling for FHA loans. And you may have to provide this to a mortgage company to show them that you can take out private flood insurance on that FHA loan. Now, when taking out an FHA loan, what are going to be the bank requirements? Generally, the bank's going to require one of two things, the lesser of these two amounts, either your loan amount or the max coverage available through the federal program, which is $250,000 on residential properties. So those could be the requirements. Could they potentially require more if you're taking out private flood insurance? We have seen some banks that are doing this. But what else you may want to provide them with is the ruling from the federal government stating the max coverage available is only $250,000. Now, we generally recommend taking out the full replacement cost with a private company so you have the right coverage in place. But this is how a bank may treat this for you. Now, when you're taking out this FHA loan, though, can flood insurance be paid at closing for you? Because maybe, you're low in funds. You're taking out this type of loan because your debt to income is higher. What are your options here? With the federal program, it can be paid at closing. Some private companies it can, but some private companies may require you to pay the first year up front. So if you're shopping flood insurance, this is something you want to know, just so you can be prepared. If you like the information in this video, make sure to click subscribe below on our channel and share it. Leave us a comment about other questions you might have when it comes to flood insurance, and we look forward to educating you when it comes to flood insurance in the future. My name is Chris Green, the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for tuning in today.